dear students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. So dear students, today let we start GK Unit 3, Nature and the Surroundings, chapter number 17, Herbs, Shrubs and Trees. Herbs are small plants with a short lifespan, usually 1 or 2 years. Shrubs are bushes different from trees, having multiple stems and typically growing up to 5 to 6 meter, 15 to 20 feet in height. Trees are perennial woody plant having many secondary branches supported by a single main stem or trunk. So, question number A, write down in the blank spaces whether the following plants are herbs, shrubs or trees. So, these are the shrubs, tree and herbs. Shrub, tree and herb. Okay. So, students write the names of the following herbs, shrubs and trees in the correct columns. Okay, यहाँ पे दिखे हुए हैं तो हमें correct column में लिखना है. तो इनमें herb कौन कौन से हैं? Let we start. Basil, next one is thyme. Okay. Oregano. Rosemary. Next one is shrubs. Hibiscus. Okay. Next one is gardenia. Next one is thuja. Now next one is trees. Eucalyptus. Okay. And next one is camphor. Rosewood. Golden shower. And mahogany also. Teak also. Okay, mahogany also, this and this. और इसमें अभी हर्ब्स में हमारे ट्यूलिप और लेवेंडर भी आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, ट्यूलिप और लेवेंडर. Okay, so these are the herbs, shrubs and trees. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 18. First aid box. Every school, home, office and factory must have a first aid box. A first aid box should have the following essentials items. So what should I do? Name of the things kept in the first aid box above are given below. Write the correct number next to the item shown in the picture. Okay, so let me start. Cotton bandage. This is antiseptic cream. Number 7. B. What is this? B is 1. Cotton bandage. C. Band-Aid. 2. D. Medicines. 10. E. Dettol. 6. F. Cotton roll. 8. G. Thermometer. Number 4. H. Crepe bandage. 3. I. Lactocalamine. Number 9. And J. Scissor. Number 5. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 19. Protect the nature. Take write the correct answer. Which of these harms the environment? Plastic. Option A. Burning wood and garbage pollutes the air. Option C. 3. World Environment Day celebrated 5th June. Option B. Number 4. We must not waste paper as it is made from trees. Option A. What does stand for? Grow more plant. Number 5. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Option B. Okay. Now next question number B. Rearrange the letters in capitals to make a word. Write it down. Number 1. Every year 22nd March is celebrated as World Water Day. 2. We must grow trees to keep the air clean. The giant panda is an endangered animal. Four. When people do not throw garbage in the dustbin but throw it around, it is called littering. Number 5. A wildlife sanctuary is a reserved area to preserve endangered species of animals. It is wildlife. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 20. A medley of plants. So plants are all around us. How much do you know about them? Let us find out. So tick right the correct option. 1. Small plants or saplings are taken care of in a nursery. Option A. Number 2. Tea, coffee and rubber are grown in an plantation. Option B. Question number 3. The part of a plant that grows above the soil is called the shoot. Option B. Question number 4. The part of a plant that usually attracts insect is, so the option A, flowers. Question number 5. The plants that do not have leaves, roots or flowers are called algae. Question number 6. Which flowers is seen in the hand of goddess Lakshmi? So number 6, option A, lotus. Question number 7. Which flower was the favorite of Pandit Nehru? Option A, rose. Question number 8. Which plant is considered sacred and is worshipped in Hindu homes? Option A, tulsi. Question number 9. The leaves of which plant are used as plates in the southern part of India? Banana leaves. Option B. Question number 10. Which trees are decorated with garlands and lights at Christmas? So this is fir tree. Option A. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 21. Amazing plants. After millions of years of evolution, an enormous number of plants of different types have been formed. Many plants are truly amazing. Some of them are given below. Write their names. 1. It is a native to Central and South America. It gets its name because its leaflets fold in and droop when they are touched. This is sensitive plant. इसको हम मिमोसा भी बोल सकते हैं. Number 2, it is a carnivorous plant native to Indonesia and Southeast Asia. Its leaves are modified to form a pitcher-like structure which is filled with digestive fluid. So when an insect enters in the pitcher, its lid closes and it is trapped inside. So this is pitcher plant. Number 3, it is also a carnivorous plant with an ingenious way to catch its prey. Its leaves are usually arranged in a rosette, whose upper surface is covered with flexible plant hairs that exude a sticky substance to attract and entrap insect. So this is sundew, या इसको हम ड्रोसरा भी कह सकते हैं. Number 4, this flower was discovered in the jungles of Sumatra. So it is considered to be the largest flower in the world. It can grow up to 1 meter in diameter and weigh as much as 25 pounds. It smells like a decomposed carcass. So this is Rafflesia. Number 5, it is a genus in the cactus family found in the desert areas. They have flat, fleshy pads that look like large leaves. So the pads are actually modified branches or stems. They have large spines which are actually modified leaves. This is prickly pear. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 22. Bright blooms. Write the correct option and find out some strange and interesting flower fact. So let me start. Question number 1. The national flowers of India is lotus, option A. Number 2. The national flower of the USA is option B, rose. Question number 3. The cup-shaped flower of Holland is, this is tulip, option B. Number 4. A sweet-smelling flower is tuberose, option A. Question number 5. Gulab jal is made from, option A, rose. Question number 6. The flower that faces the sun is sunflower, option A. Number 7. The flower commonly used in festoons, bouquets, and garland is marigold, genda. Question number 8. Flower that produces substances harmful to other plants is sunflower. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 23. Living beings. Take right the correct option. Question number 1. Name the tree on which koalas lives. Eucalyptus. Option B. Question number 2. How do polar bears protect themselves from cold weather? Option B. With thick fur and fat. Question number 3. Which flightless bird can run very fast? Option B. Ostrich. Question number 4. Name the country where you find kangaroos. Option A. Australia. Question number 5. What is a flying fox? A bat. Option B. Number 6. Which is the largest mammal? Option B. Blue whale. Question number 7. What are animals that live on land as well as in water called? Amphibians. Question number 8. Name the bird that has the longest beak. So this is eagle. Option C. Number 9. Which land animal is the fastest runner? So option B. Cheetah. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 24. Fruits of different trees. Take right the correct option in each of the following. You can also take help of the given picture. So let me start. Question number 1. The fruit of this tree is yellow in color. It is very sweet. It is called the king of fruits. Option B. Mango. Number 2. The fruit of this tree is purple. The crocodile's wife was very fond of it. So the option A. Jamun. Question number 3. The fruit of this tree is green. We love to drink the sweet water inside its shell. So option B. Coconut. Question number 4. The fruit of this tree is green but turns yellow when ripe. Elephants love to eat it. Option A. Elephants love to eat it. Option B. Banana. Question number 5. The fruit of this tree is bitter in taste. The leaves are used for medicinal purpose. Option A. Neem. Number 6. It is a sacred plant for Hindus. The leaves of this tree are broad. Option A. People. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 25. Angry nature. Many a time we come across the furious behavior of nature. So this causes great damage to life and property. So identify and write the names of the following calamities. So one is number 1, flood, यानी कि बाढ़. Number 2, drought, सूखा. Next, number 3, landslide. Number 4, earthquake. Next, number 5, tsunami. Number 6, volcanic eruption. Number 7, forest fire. Next, number 8, tornado. Number 9, cyclone. So dear students, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.